Are you trying to choose between Ipfire and OPNsense? You're not alone. Many people wonder which firewall solution is best for their needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular tools to help you make a decision. Both Ipfire and OPNsense are designed to protect your network. They offer security features that keep your data safe from threats. Let's start with Ipfire. It's an open source firewall that's easy to set up. It focuses on security and performance. Ipfire allows you to customize your setup with various add-ons. This means you can tailor it to fit your specific needs. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners. Now, let's look at OPNsense. This is also an open source firewall but offers a more advanced feature set. OpenSense comes with a modern interface and includes a lot of built in tools. It's great for users who want detailed monitoring and reporting. OpenSense is known for its frequent updates, which keep it secure and efficient. So, what are the main differences? IPFire is simpler and better for basic users. It's great if you want something quick and easy. On the other hand, OpenSense is more powerful and offers advanced features. It suits those who need more control and customization. When it comes to features, both tools have strong points. IPFire has a strong focus on security and performance. OpenSense shines with its user-friendly interface and extensive tools. In terms of pricing, both IPFire and OpenSense are free to use. You won't have to worry about subscription fees, which is a big plus. In the end, if you want a straightforward firewall, go with IPFire. If you need advanced features and customization, OpenSense is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.